Everyone, welcome to our new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Microsoft's antivirus tool on your laptop. So it is a Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. So how to use this? So let's come to our home page. So to use this we have to press these keys Windows plus R. So you'll be getting a run pop up here, and here you have to type MRT. So MRT stands for the malicious removal tool, which is a verified Microsoft tool. So we have to click enter now, and we'll be getting a pop-up like this. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool, so it is a verified publisher, so it is Microsoft's tool. So simply we have to click here yes, and now we'll be getting another window here. So welcome to the Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool, and here we'll be getting some documentations. So simply come here and simply click next here, and here we will be having three options. The first option is for quick scan, the second one is for full scan, and the third one is for customized scan. So I'll be choosing the first option, that is the quick scan. So this one scans the areas of the system most likely to contain malicious software. So if your device have any malicious related files, so automatically it will scan it and it will be removing those malicious files in your device. So simply click next here. Done. So the scanning has started in your device. So after some time it will scan your whole system and it will remove all the malicious files, malicious related softwares. So this is how it works. So we can see here it has scanned 5,000 6,000 files, okay, within 48 seconds, within 50 seconds. Yeah, done. So it has scanned all the files and softwares in my device, and it found no malicious software was detected in my device. So this is how the Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool, we can also call it as an antivirus removal tool also. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, and try it on your device.